Hi everyone, I'm Cedric and today we're at Shunfu Gardens today, Block 320 Shunfu Road. And if you 307. Hi Ran, I'm Cedric again. Today we're at Shunfu Garden Estate, Block 307 Shunfu Road. This unit is 2-minute walk from Marymount MRT, and if you are looking for a high floor, top floor corner, 4-room flat unit, do stay fast for this home tour. Let's head up to the unit.
Okay, good.
Okay, 可以吗？district 不用讲了啦，以后。
You'll get maximum privacy as this level has 4 less units as compared to the other levels and a bonus 4 square meters recess area.
Once again, I'm Cedric.
And I'm Eunice, and we are from Property 65.
Located along Shunfu Road, this unit is only 2 minutes walk away to Marymount MRT and 9 minutes to Upper Thomson MRT. Just 3 minutes walk to Shunfu Mart Food Centre and Wet Market and Sheng Supermarket at Thomson Imperial Court. Add another 2 minutes and you'll reach to Thomson Plaza. As for families with children, you'll be glad to know that there are a total of 8 primary schools within 2 km radius, including the reputable Catholic High School, Top 2, which is within 1 km, while within 2 km, the prestigious CHIJ Toa Payoh Primary School, Kuo Cham Presbyterian Primary School, and Ai Tong School. Since this is an actual corner unit that comes with an extra recess space, it will be your biggest privilege.
Entering the foyer, the first thing that we observe is this top shelf, plus the ventilation window. After we step up to the house unit, over here, the calming relaxation pets corner.
Step up these stairs. It gives an added elevation level to your home. Including the recess area, this unit is sized at 1,022 square feet, comes with a foyer, 1 master ensuite, 2 common rooms, bathroom, living and dining area and an enclosed kitchen. This unit is different from the original layout as interior design concepts was previously done. The kitchen wall was hacked away to make way for a proper dining area. The dining area can fit up to 6 packs depending on the orientation of your choice. You will notice that this home comes with premium marble flooring, which you can polish it and it will look good as new. Squarish and functional layout, which you can fully utilize the space to renovate to your own customized liking.
Even though the kitchen is remodeled, but it doesn't affect the whole kitchen necessities. Whatever you get can be here.
Entering the kitchen, you'll be greeted with natural sunlight and ventilation since we are on the top floor. Highly recommended to renovate this kitchen in order to maximize the sunlight into this lovely home. Moving on to the common rooms, the wardrobe have been designed to flush into the storeroom, making it a huge room. It also comes with a well-maintained parquet flooring, which you can easily revarnish it. You can also fit a queen-size bed and a bulky wardrobe and still have ample space around. You can be assured of a lower renovation quote since the maintenance of the floor area of this home is really low. Where can I find more eatery options? With less than 9 minutes walk, you'll be at Upper Thomson MRT. There are a huge variety of eateries option here. The Roti Prata House, Fat Boys Burger Bar, Soy 19 Thai Wanton Mee, Oaks Coffee Co., others, Salted Caramel, just to name a few. With 1 MRT stop, you'll be at Bishan MRT, where you can transit to the North-South line and head to Orchard in just 5 MRT stations. With also 1 MRT stop, you'll be at Caldecott MRT, where you can transit to the Thomson East Coast line. What's more, MacRitchie Reservoir Park is just nearby, perfect for your morning run or jogging session. Finally, introducing the master bedroom, a really good size for any profile. You can enjoy a spacious room that is huge enough to cater to your own creativity. Designer concepts around here for your own renovation consideration. Do remember that you can always change the renovation of a home, but not the location and the floor level.
Alright, we have come to the end of the home tour, and I'm confident that this unit will be in your shortlist.
Do remember to click like and subscribe and follow us on YouTube. We can be found on all social media platforms, link in the description box.
And as always, Property 65, we sell higher, we upsell your home value, we sell higher than your neighbors. See you in the viewing.